Legends of Learning presents the Circuit Construction Kit Direct Current Introduction FET Simulation. This is a science FET simulation that makes learning about forms of energy movement fun and easy to understand. In the simulation, you will experiment with an electronics kit, build circuits with batteries, resistors, light bulbs, and switches. Take measurements with an ammeter and voltmeter and test common objects to determine if they are conductors or insulators. You can build circuits with batteries, resistors, light bulbs, switches, wire, etc. And you can minimize the screen or maximize the screen by clicking on the magnifying glasses. Click on the different icons to change the view of your circuit. You can also use the voltmeter and ammeter to measure the voltage and current. Click and select the items you wish to build with by clicking and dragging it onto the main screen. You can elongate the wire by holding and dragging it with your mouse in this FET simulation to test multiple scenarios to learn more about forms of energy movement. You can reset every simulation and try many different combinations to help you learn more about science. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Have fun and enjoy playing.